In our last topic, we have done the rules of interest on drawings. Now we are going to do the questions of interest on drawing. For example, calculate the amount of Gayatri's monthly drawings for the year ended 31st March 2023 in the following cases when interest is charged at the rate of 8% per annum. When she withdrew fixed amount in the beginning of each month, interest 2600, end of each month, interest 5500, middle of each month, interest is 4800. So we are going to use the formula interest on drawings 12 months accounts, beginning of each month, plus 1 by 2 months, interest is equal to amount into rate upon 100 into 13 by 2 into 1 by 12. This is 2600. Amount 8% into 13 by 2 into 1 by 12. 2 4 2600 into 300 divided by 13 is equal to amount 13,260,000. Amount 12 months account 60,000 divided by 12 means 5,000 per month in the beginning of each month. Number 2, end of each month. 12 minus 1 by 2, 11 by 2. Interest amount into rate upon 100 into 11 by 2 into 1 by 12. Interest is given 5500 into amount into rate into 11 by 2 into 1 by 12. 5500 into 300 divided by 11 is equal to amount 1,50,000. Total drawings divided by 12, 12,500 per month, end of each month. Number 3, middle of each month. Twelve plus 0 by 2, 6 months. Interest, total drawings into rate upon 100 into 6 months. Interest is given 4800. Total drawings 8 upon 100, 6 by 2, 4, 4800 into 100 divided by 4, 1,20,000 total drawings, 1,20,000 divided by 12, 10,000 per month. This is interest on drawings rules for 12 months account. Next point is Calculate the amount of Suruchi's quarterly drawings for the year ended when interest is given 8%, beginning of each quarter, end of each quarter, and middle of each quarter. When 12 months accounts are given, but interest on drawings on quarterly drawings. Number 1, beginning of each quarter, 12 plus 3/2 months, 15/2 months. Interest, total drawings into rate into 15/2 into 1/12. Interest 6,000. Total drawings into 8%, 15/2 into 1/12. 6,000 into 100 divided by 5. Total drawings 1,20,000 total drawings. Total drawings. Quarter 4, 30,000 per quarter. 30,000 per quarter. Next point is given. End of each quarter, 12 minus 3/2, 9/2 months. Interest, total drawings into rate upon 100 into 9/2 into 1/12. Interest is given 4,800. Total drawings into rate into 9/2 into 1/12. 4,800 into 100 divided by 3 is equal to total drawings 1,60,000. Total drawings divided by 4, 40,000 per quarter, because interest on drawings is quarterly given. Next, middle of each quarter. 12 plus 0/2, 6 months. Interest, total drawings into rate upon 100 into 6 months. Interest given 8,000. Total drawings into 8/100, 6, 4. 8,000 into 100 divided by 4 is equal to total drawings 2 lakh total drawings. 50,000 per quarter. Last question on interest on drawing is calculate rate of interest A and B are partners. 5,000 per month in the beginning of each month. Interest total drawings into rate into time. Beginning of each month 12 plus 1 by 2, 13 by 2 months. Interest given 2925. Drawings 60,000. Rate we have to calculate into 13 by 2 into 1 by 12. Two 3900 divided by 12. Now 3900 divided by 12 into rate 325. 2925 325 into rate 2925 divided by 325 rate is equal to 9% per annum. Next point, when interest on drawings in the beginning of each quarter, interest 15,000, interest 2925, no, interest 4,500, drawings 15,000 per quarter, total drawings 15,000 into 4, this is 60,000. Beginning of each quarter 12 plus 3 by 2, 15 by 2 months. Interest is equal to total drawings into rate upon 100 into 15 by 2 into 1 by 12. Interest 4,500. Drawing 60,000. Rate X. 15 by 2 into 1 by 12. $4,500 is equal to 375x. 4,500 divided by 375x. This is equal to 12%. Means rate of interest is equal to 12%. In our next lecture, we will do the main questions of fundamentals of partnership, and we have completed rules of interest on drawings.